In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to compare Kartra and Systeme.io. If you're looking to choose between these two popular business platforms, you're in the right place. We'll walk through the process of evaluating both, focusing on their key features, and help you decide which might be better suited for your needs. First, let's talk about Kartra. To get started, you'll want to visit their website and navigate to the Plans and Pricing section. It's worth noting that Kartra does offer a free trial, but there is a catch. You'll need to provide your credit card information to access it. This is something to keep in mind if you're cautious about sharing your payment details up front. Kartra is known for its comprehensive suite of tools designed for building and managing online businesses. It includes features like email marketing, landing pages, and even help desk support, making it a robust choice for those who want an all-in-one solution. Now, let's switch gears and look at Systeme.io. You can visit their website directly at systeme.io/dashboard. One significant advantage of Systeme.io is its truly free trial, which doesn't require any credit card information. This offers a lower barrier to entry, allowing you to explore the platform without commitment. Systeme.io also provides a full range of tools similar to Kartra, including sales funnels, email marketing, and membership sites. It's a great option for those who are starting on a budget or prefer a more straightforward setup process. When comparing these two platforms, it's essential to consider what features are most important for your business. Kartra might be more appealing if you're looking for a platform with advanced marketing automation and a wide array of integrations. However, if ease of use and a no-risk trial are your priorities, Systeme.io could be the better choice. Additionally, think about the scalability of the platform. As your business grows, you'll want a system that can grow with you without requiring a complete overhaul. To summarize, if you're leaning towards a feature-rich platform and don't mind providing your card details for a trial, Kartra might be the way to go. On the other hand, if you're more comfortable starting with a no-strings-attached trial and prefer simplicity, Systeme.io could be the perfect fit. Both platforms offer unique advantages, so consider your business needs and preferences carefully. Thank you for watching, and I hope this comparison has helped clarify the differences between Kartra and Systeme.io. Make sure to explore both platforms thoroughly to see which one aligns best with your goals. Until next time, happy exploring.